उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे नेक्स्ट ईयर इन 1 or 2 months मैं पेट स्टोर गई, ये फिशेस लेके आया एंड देन थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च किया. रिसर्च करने के बाद में एक्चुअली लकीली ये ब्रीड हो गया मुझसे एंड दैट वो पैशन फिर इंक्रीज होते गया धीरे धीरे. Actually, it was a random move to like a holiday only. हम लोग रांची गए थे 2018 में और वहाँ पे ऐसे घूमते घूमते और मांझी रोड में जो एक्वेटिक वर्ल्ड है वहाँ पर हम लोग ऐसे ही गए. देन वहाँ पर मुझे लाइक लगा कि आई शुड स्टार्ट माई इंटरेस्ट इन फिश. सो दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल बिगैन. फिर वहाँ से वापस आने के बाद में आई गॉट अगेन बिजी विथ माई PG स्टफ एंड ऑल. उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे नेक्स्ट ईयर इन 1 or 2 months मैं पेट स्टोर गई, ये फिशेस लेके आया एंड देन थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च किया. रिसर्च करने के बाद में एक्चुअली लकीली ये ब्रीड हो गया मुझसे एंड दैट वो पैशन फिर इंक्रीज होते गया धीरे धीरे. मेरे पास मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ फिश है. मॉलीज है, गप्पीज है, इंडियन कोई है, गोरामीज है, जापानीज कोईज है, देन गोल्ड गोरामीज है, नियॉन टेट्राज है, then red platy है, that much. and gold varieties में black gold है, लीचू gold है, normal gold है, fantail gold. That's one. Actually I was having a talk with one of my friends Naveen. तो वो ऐसे ही घूमते फिरते आया और देखा मेरे fishes को और बोला कि wow, it's like something good to see, and he started offering me, like he wanted to buy some fishes from me, and that's all. Like in a friendship way only it all began, and so, means gradually it came down as a business. Yes. मैंने recently ही Facebook में ये सब fishes है मेरे पास में varieties है. If anybody is interested, तो I got a good response from there. Like 2-3 buyers from Hindalco had approached from our local town itself. Many of them have purchased from me, and it was a good response. So that encouraged me more and more. Like mollies and guppies, so over 10,000 प्राइस होंगे. एंड जापानीज कोई इसमें है 60 पीस एंड इंडियन कोईज अराउंड 80. एंड देन goramis, there are 2 pairs of goramis with me, blue and gold as well, and goldfishes maybe 13 or 14. This is going to be another tank of mine, basically for goldfish, and maybe this area even. Gradually I'm trying to increase. Okay. Love for them will never decrease any which ways.
No, actually when I saw her thinkings and the way she was explaining me about all these things, because I don't know anything about this one. My total business line is different and this is totally different. So when she told me all these things, so I said, let us go. Because I don't want to disappoint her thinkings and views and all. So when she told me, first she told about all these things to her mother. Then she conveyed this one to me. When she told me, I said, okay, chalo. Whatever you need help, you take, and possibilities. The amount of time she spent calculating to that, she has done more than that thing. And the way she will be doing further, it will become multiple and multiple. Definitely, it is a very good business, but we have to have patience and we have to look after time to time. And one person should be there to see.
And she was finding it little difficult to buy the things because in this lockdown time it was quite tough for us also. So I said, never mind, I will help you out. You don't have to worry for that. So financially we helped her out, and with that also she went on growing. In this way she prospered her business.